Hello, everybody. It's Laura. I'm a little late. I was having a little bit of technical difficulties trying to get hooked up. I'm actually going to move Rick. He's kind of freaking me out in the back. Anyway, I just want to say hello and welcome to week 2. This is my Christmas project series. If this is the first time you have stumbled across my video, I am doing a Christmas series. And it focuses on a quick project that you can make. I think there's like 1 or 2 that are a little bit more time consuming, but they're sure to please whoever you make them for. They're not necessarily cards either. These are 3D items, tags, they can be anything. And I've had a lot of fun putting this together. And if you are missing the live, by all means, I'm going to go ahead and upload this to YouTube, and it'll be here on my Facebook page so you can watch the replay. So you can grab a beverage, get a pen pad and notes, but if you want the tutorial, the best way to get that, or actually what I do is I give my email subscribers, they get this tomorrow. It's already typed up and ready to go, and all I have to do is just send it in. And you guys will get a free tutorial on how to make what we're making today. But this is my go-to gift card holder. I think I've used this layout at least 5 times already in the last, oh gosh, month and a half. So I'm telling you, that makes them quick, and you can get rid of a lot of your pattern paper, because I don't know about you, but I'm a hoarder. So enough with that. If you hop on, go ahead and say hello. I'm going to go ahead and get everything situated, and then we will get started. Okay, hold your eyes for just a second. I got to figure out which one of these flips it. The direction today, because I think last week it was kind of hard to see. I'm actually even going to scoot this a little bit closer to me, because I tend to, as I'm making the project, move it closer and closer to me, and then you guys can't see what I'm doing. But I guess that's just part of being a crafter. So, what we're going to make today, it features the Little Bit Festive 12 by 12, and it's specialty paper, so you get 6 full sheets. So 3 of them are die cuts, 3 of them are the patterned paper, which are double-sided, and you can see I've kind of been chomping at this one a little bit. Hold on, let me pull up, see if I have any comments. So much easier when I can, oh good, yay, okay. See if you, oh, I don't know if I'm going to see comments. Why can I not see comments? Okay, there we go. Maybe I finally figured it out. Okay, wow. Enough times you finally figured out. All right, so back to this. A Little Bit Festive. It has this, and these cute little festive tree limbs. And then fun little blue pattern and a gingham, which if you don't use it by Christmas, you can use it for spring. But I love all the little festive things, but what I really like is everything that is in here, and this is all just for $10. Grab some cardstock, some envelopes. Look, you can make a full card just like that. And then it's got 2 pages of die cuts, which I'm using for this card. And this was on back order for about a month, and it's finally back. I checked earlier today, and it's still fine. Doesn't say it's low inventory, so I'm hoping that you guys can grab this before it gets sold out again. But, so here we're going to go. And before I forget, I do classes. I mail some out. I do online classes, and I do in-person classes. So, this comes with 4 projects. You'll get enough to make 2 of these cute little bags. And what's great is the measurements. You can go, this is a 6 by 6 piece of paper. You can go 8 by 8, 10 by 10, and 12 by 12 and make them gradually bigger. So it's kind of a good way to go through your DSP. And then another very cute gift card holder. I use the little pocket dies that we have in the annual catalog. And look how cute that is. And the secret it'll be on sale tomorrow because it's a bundle in the annual catalog. But the pocket dies are, not the penguin. But the snowy scenes, it's so cute. And then we'll have this, whoops, window card. And then this is my favorite. I saved my favorite for last. You're gonna get a cute little frame to make to either hang on your tree, put on your desk, put somewhere it will just make you smile, or give it to somebody. So the cost for this month's class is $45, and you'll get enough to make 2 of each of these, and you'll just get 1 of these. But after you make 1, you'll be able to go grab some more and make more, because you also get a half a pack of this, a full spool of the Pom Pom Pool Party ribbon, and the faceted gems. So all that for $45, plus I'm going to have the tutorial. I'll also have it on YouTube. So if you're a visual or like to have a tutorial, either way. But sign up. I'll put the link after I'm done with the video to sign up for my email list. And I'll also put the shopping link if you want to grab anything tomorrow. Cardstock's on sale. Let's see what else. Cardstock, ink, the bundles are all on sale in the annual catalog. So we're gonna make this one. And so you start with a 4 1/4 by, oh, let me get my cheat sheet. 4 1/4 by 11, and we're gonna score this. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to score this at 5 1/2 and then 9 1/2. And what that's going to create, I love this thing. I'm surprised I haven't worn it out. It's a Simply Scored. So I'm going to crease this one, and then we are going to take this fold it towards the inside of the, towards the inside of the card. And then I'm going to get some tear and tape. And this is where you're going to have your cute little gift card. So I'm going to put some tear and tape right there. Okay, let me grab this one. And the best way to get this to come up is to just go ahead and burnish it. I use my fingers, sometimes I use a bone folder. See, I didn't do it enough. It kind of releases it and makes it easier to pull back on. There we go. So now, and you can also use the mono adhesive green, everybody calls it green glue. So now we have our card base set up. So now, I think I want to do, is that going to be too much? Or should I do that? I think I'm going to do that one. And then I'll do this for the opposite pattern. Okay. So, it didn't have another coffee cup without me buying another pack. So, I just decided to make it different. So, this is a 3/4 by 4 piece of paper. Ah. Sorry, see, this is what I'm telling you. I try to bring it towards me. Ah, get up there. Alright, there we go. So I got the front. I'm telling you, it is so quick and easy to make these. Especially when you have this festive, little bit festive. You can make so many of these so quickly. So you got a bunch of teachers, last minute stuff. Your kids come home and tell you, oh, Mom, I need this. Guess what? Got you covered here. And let's see. Also, if you're local, my friend and I are having a grab and go gifts here at my house in Frisco, Texas. And it'll be on the 23rd and the 24th of this month, November. and we just posted it on Facebook, but we're going to be selling, or I'm going to have all the cute normal things that I do every year, the candy bars and hot cocoa packets and ornaments and all sorts of good stuff. So this is 3 3/4 by 4, and then these are both 1 1/4 by 4. So now the base part is pretty much finished. I'm going to go ahead and stamp a sentiment on here. And I thought, since we have a gingerbread house, I thought it'd be cute. I love this little set. At first I wasn't going to buy it, but I had fallen in love with the little gingerbread man. And this also comes with a punch, which makes it so easy to make multiples of as well. So, let me get a block. Hold on, sorry, I have to reach across. Be sure to comment and say hello. Let's see, Real Red, where are you? Nope, that's not Real Red. I have Real Red somewhere. There it is. Never fully prepared, are we? Alright, so, may your days be bright and merry. I figured it fits perfectly in this square. Perfect. Always get a little nervous that it's gonna not like come out. Make sure I don't have any red on my hands. There's nothing more frustrating than getting to the end of your project and putting ink everywhere. Ugh. Matter of fact, that card I told you about, I did a Santa card. And I opened it up to put something on the inside, and the ink pad was open, and I ruined the whole front of it. Oh, this is so frustrating. Life of being a crafter. So here we have, may your days be merry, and you know, I didn't think about the size. Oh. Maybe we'll just get, you know what, I'm just going to find something smaller. That's just too big. Let's see, what should I help me decide what I should grab. Let's see, I have a cute little, let's see what I have already pre-cut out. We have this cute little tree. That might be cute. Oh, that's perfect. It's not so big. Maybe I'll see if there's any more in there. Like 1 or 2 more would be really cute. You know, I'll probably never, it's going to be like a map. So you have to be really careful because, oh, there's a little gingerbread dude. How cute. There we go. Perfect. I'm a happy person. Okay. Gotta love when I derail, huh? Oh, and we could even put him on the inside. Oh, that is too cute. Okay, I'm gonna put all that over to the side. Oh, it even comes with a little strip of gold. How fun is that? All right, but we're not gonna use that. I'm just gonna use these because I thought these were adorable. Okay, I know on here I have blue dots on my desk somewhere. I call it the craft abyss. Okay. So I'm putting some glue dots, and I use the warmth of my finger to let it release off of the paper. Okay, so put him there. Maybe I should do that, and then on the, nah, because the gift is on the inside. Okay. Gotta talk these things through, right? Hey, Allison, how are you? I'm going to record this, or, well, it is recorded because it's alive, but I'm going to upload it to YouTube so you can catch the rest of it. Oh, you know what? Come on. We're going to go this way with him. All right. Too many decisions. So here's where you write your message to your person that you're giving the gift card to. And I think I'm just going to put him in there. And then, so I have this one, which I didn't put anything on, but I thought they were really cute, and then just stamp something on the envelope, and you are good to go. So here are the two. And then, if you're on, oh, you know what? I need to put some sparkle on that sucker. Hold on. These are those faceted gems that come in the online class this month. So let's see, put him here and put this one over here. there we go. Now it looks better. Gotta add the bling. So we have those two. So everybody that's on my email list, I'm going to give you guys, you know, till midway through tomorrow, and you will get this in the inbox. And what I'll do is I'll add the YouTube video QR code there also. That way you can access the video. You don't have to go look and search for it. You just use your phone, pop it. You'll have this. If you want to remember how to make these, make a ton of them. But if you have any other questions, let me know. And then be sure to mark your calendars. I'll be back next Tuesday at 8 o'clock right here with week 3 of my Christmas series. So I'm glad you hopped on, and have a great rest of your week. Thank you.